In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a McDonald's gift card to the application. So normally you think you would just open the app and then just paste in the gift card info. Unfortunately, for some odd reason, the McDonald's like system makes it way more harder than it needs to be. So you cannot directly put it on the McDonald's app itself. However, what you're able to do is you're able to use DoorDash, and then DoorDash will allow you to actually use your McDonald's gift card, and then you're able to order McDonald's like you normally would. So you still get the same result. You're able to get a delivery, or you're able to go ahead and pick it up. So please go ahead and open up DoorDash. And what you want to do is you want to go to the top menu, select on the profile icon, select over here to where it says settings, then scroll down until you see this section that says gift cards. Then in the top right, you're going to see this redeem button, and this is where you need to redeem your McDonald's gift card. So you need to enter in the PIN over here, then you need to redeem it to your account. Afterwards, you're able to then use your McDonald's gift card to actually order food for delivery. So this is honestly a really useful feature. Again, it's just so frustrating that for some odd reason, the McDonald's app doesn't have a built-in feature, but I want to be as transparent as possible. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.